trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Hot Braids. I'm gonna be doing these mini twists, super easy to do. I did do them in like 2 days. It maybe took around 4 hours in total because I did my roots like one night and then the next day I did the twists, which made it like super easy and quick. It wasn't anything. It did not take too long. If you're interested in seeing how I got the hair to look like this, how I attached the extensions and everything, let's get right into this video. I can't talk too loud because the baby is sleeping. So yeah, I'm not going to be talking throughout this video. You could just see and I'll kind of explain in certain parts that I need to explain a little bit better. But I'll just play some music and you guys can vibe out and follow along with me.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a island. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So confused, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it like something. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like something. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you loved you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it like something. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like something. Take you there, I'll take you. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like something. Take you there, I'll take you. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like something. Take you there, I'll take you. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like something. Take you there, I'll take you. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like something. Take you there, I'll take you. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like something. Take you there, I'll take you. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like something. Take you there, I'll take you. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had it like Show you something, give you more than what we can have in this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than what we can have in this place on earth. Take you there, take you there, take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, said our time was making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We can have it, that's all. Take you there, take Yeah, I know why I gave you all you need. I know what you like. I feel it something. Tell me that the yes. I try to give you, and I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I tried to live, but I can't. I don't know why I got the wall. Drop me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body.
Then I made it mess of my mind. And I made it make it free of the mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave, you go by. Yeah, if you leave, I go by. Your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want need me. I just wanna let you know. Hope every day
Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel never do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on letting. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I keep on running. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. It's about 4 days later, and this is how the hair is looking. I just wanted to come back and do the intro with me talking, because for the past couple of days I didn't talk in the video, and I wanted to like retake the pictures, so I said I might as well come and like do an intro and an outro. So this is how the hair is looking 4 days later. Super pretty. It looked like it's gonna last about maybe 2, 3, 4 weeks, depending on how I take care of it. I just tie it up in a scarf to sleep, and most of the time I'm wearing it in a bun on top of my head. You guys did see the bun because I did like a few hairstyles with it, so you guys can see the different styles you can achieve with this look. If you're interested, I will have Hot Braids link in my description box where you can get the hair, the extension hair. And yeah, it's really pretty. Make sure to leave me a comment down below if you like videos like this, if you like these type of videos. You guys know I love doing hair videos, so this is a little change. Natural hair vibes. Thank you guys for checking me out, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.